Magandang araw, ito na yung conversion natin. 1 inch is equals to 2.54 cm. 1 inch is equals to 25.4 mm. 1 cm is equals to 10 mm. 1 cm is equals to 0.39370 inch. 1 foot is equals to 12 inches. 1 meter is equals to 3.28 feet. 1 meter is equals to 100 centimeter, and 1 meter is equals to 1000 millimeter. And fraction to millimeter, numerator divided by denominator times inch is equals to millimeter. So 3 divided by 4 is 0.75 inch times 25.4 is equals to 19.05 or 20 millimeter.